Good morning, all. Today, let us discuss about international payment. See, in international, there are several methods of payment, so which plays a vital role. So, today, let us discuss about letter of credit. So, first of all, we'll go for an introduction. International payments are a financial transaction between parties in different countries, also known as cross-border payments. So, it is nothing but the payment between the countries. So, one country to another country. So, we have several methods. So, that is things. And the method of payments. So there are four types of payments. The first one is cash advance, a letter of credit, documentary collection, and it is an open account. And today in this slide, let us discuss about letter of credit. So letter of credit it is an acknowledgement between buyer and seller. So which gives guarantee for both buyers and sellers. So it is a guarantee issued by a bank. It provides security and trust. It reduces risks. So for the buyer, is having guarantee for his commodity, and for the seller is having guarantee for his money. Methods of payment and its risk. So among the four methods of payment, so cash in advance, the risk level is higher for the buyer, whereas the risk level is minimum for the buyer. So whereas it is not that much risk for the buyer in letter of credit, and it reduces the same in documentary collection. It is a vice versa. By seeing the diagram itself, we can understand that clearly. It tells that so in which mode of payment the risk belongs to which person. Principal parties to LC. See, we need parties to open LC. So it is nothing but the buyer seller and the buyer's bank, the seller's bank. So let's see in details. Applicant, it means importer, buyer or account party. Second is beneficiary and exporter or seller. Issuing bank, so guarantor and correspondent bank, which I already told you that. So exporter bank and importer bank. Types of letter of credit. See, there are several types of letter of credit there. So first thing is that a revocable LC. Second is irrevocable LC. Revocable LC is nothing but without the knowledge of the seller, the rest of the three parties can cancel the LC. Whereas in irrevocable LC, so you cannot cancel LC without the knowledge of the seller. Confirmed LC. A second bank guarantees payment in addition to the issuing bank. Along with the issuing bank, one more bank is giving guarantee for the payment. Uniformed LC. Only the issuing bank provides assurance. Types of letter of credit. So, cite LC, payment made immediately upon presentation of documentation, usance, and payment made after a specified period. Transferable LC can be transferred to another beneficiary. Bank to bank LC. Revocable and irrevocable. As already told, what is the difference? Revocable can be amended or cancelled without consistent, low security, rarely used. Irrevocable needed consent of all parties involved. So applicant or as a buyer, importer, we can tell anything. So request the bank to issue LC. So issue bank, issue the letter of credit and guarantee payment, beneficiary or seller or exporter. So receives the payment upon fulfilling the letter of credit conditions. Confirming bank adds its own guarantee. Negotiating bank examines and forwards documents. Reimbursing bank provides payment to the negotiating bank. Documents required for opening an LC: commercial invoice, bill of lading, packing list, certificate of origin, insurance certificate, inspection certificate, drafts or bill of exchange. So we all know that what is commercial invoice. Without commercial invoice, so you cannot start a business. Bill of lading, it is a transportation document which is given by the liners. Packing list clearly denotes the detail about the packing. Certificate of origin, it denotes the origin of the commodity. Insurance certificate, so it's a mandatory certificate, we have to insure. And inspection certificates, so the inspection team once certified, they'll be issuing a inspection certificate. And finally a draft. So overall, a letter of credit plays a very big role. So approximately 95 to 98 percentage of the transaction is done through letter of credit, both in international as well as in domestic. Letter of credit playing a vital role. So, for example, SBI, it plays a very big role. So every day they do lots of transaction with letter of credit. So along with this, I want to tell one more thing is that the importance. So whenever any mode of payment which gives guarantee to the two parties, so automatically it satisfies the parties. So both the parties will accept this type of payment. And the types of risk, so the risk level is very low when comparing to the rest of the payment. So insurance certificate and inspection certificate, sometimes inspection certificate, people from buyers country, they will come and they will do inspections. So thank you.